SS MX1 or Pro Open 450cc all. So it's Bornok Pangosong, Rayo Ipanag, Anton Cortez and David Sander Viterbo. Round 1. Wala si Ompong. 15 seconds, board is up. Grabe. Sotoy si Anton bay. Ay! Nakauna Viterbo. Wow. David Viterbo, Bornok Mangosong, Anton Cortez and Rayo Ipanag. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Oh. Hop, hop. Hop. Tara. Walalala. Wow, wow, wow! Wow! Anton Cortez! Hop, hop, hop! Nag-inside si Burns. Hala. Hop. Leading yapon is Viterbo. Ayun, no, ayun, no. Dikit lang laban, guys. Dikit lang laban. Dikit lang, dikit. Ay, short Burns. Wow! Bornok Pangosong, dikit ang laban. Anton Cortez and Viterbo. Ala! Nag-inner si Burns. Oh! Grabe. Ala. Wow! Pumasok. Op! Ala! Ginsidean! Oy! Oy! Tumba! Oy! Sumemplang si Bornok! At si Viterbo! Anton Cortez na yung leading! Anton Cortez on the lead! Wow! Woohoo! Rayo Ipanag kung second! Ayun, no? Nakauna ang dalawang bata. Dalawang 16 anyos. Lala, nakauna si Anton, guys. Nakaana Anton Cortez. Nakauna ang batang 16 anyos. Ikadua 16 anyos. Wow. Ayun na. Anton Cortez. Breakaway by Anton Cortez. Oro. Hahaha. Breakaway na Anton Cortez. Rayo Ipanag ang second. Ayun, no. Grabe, breakaway na si Anton, guys. Alright. Second, it's Rayo. Ayun, no. Third, it's Viterbo. Fourth, it's Bornok Pangosong. Sumemplang si Sumemplang si Bornok at saka si Viterbo. Ayun, no. Sayang sumemplang. Wow. Grabe. Breakaway ng Batang Labolet. Second, it's Rayo Ipanag. Ayun, no. Hoy, Alright, so 15 minutes plus 2 laps to guys. 15 minutes plus 2 laps. Mga haway pa akong kamotan eh. Nagali kay ako tigpayong. Salamat akong tigpayong Leo, no? Kay init yung kayo. Huwag ako tigpayong. Wala, biret cellphone na to ni. Rayo pa na akong second. Anton Cortez, breakaway na. Third, Viterbo. Fourth, Bornok Mangosong. Sumemplang si Bornok at saka si Viterbo. Sumabit. Tinamaan yung harapan ni Viterbo. Ayun, no? The bullet, oh. Breakaway na, guys. Pero malayo pa to. 15 minutes plus 2 laps. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Ayun, no? Wow. Anton Cortez, breakaway.
16 years young.
Dalawang 16 anyos nangunguna.
So, nawawala ako yung aming microphone.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow. That's Anton Cortez. Away. Position riders. Shout out to Zia Mamaril. One of the nice commentator in Luzon. Leading is Anton Cortez. Second it's Rayo Ipanag. Third it's David Sander Viterbo. And then fourth is Bornok Mangosong. So sumemplam ko guys si Bornok Mangosong at saka si Viterbo. Oh. Doon po sa corner na may puno, doon po sila sumemplang. Wow.
The strategy for everyone is to either
Kanina pa nag-breakaway si The Bullet Anton Cortez.
Actually, alam mo, ina-analyze ko kung ano klaseng stress yung natatanggap ng katawan ng mga race.
Lakas ng mga bata. Dalawang mga batang nangunguna siya.
So, from the perspective of ako,
Ayun, no?
sa opinion mo, no?
Thank you, Zia.
Gaano katagal kailangan mag-prepare ng isang racer sa tulad ng category? Yung part mo,
Ayun, no?
Ayun! To make sure that
Oh. Sira.
It is. Mamono has conquered race before. He was in first. At kung ino-very Bornok for first, sumemplang sila.
Wala ni second hit ha. Tagaraw na ni championship. Tagaraw championship. Ha?
Still Cortez in
Kasi person ni champion na.
This is Viterbo and Mangosong.
Kung kinsay mauna champion na. Pero ilang race track di guys is mura o pang Supercross.
If my math is correct,
Super
10 of
cross
the
design.
15 minutes have already elapsed. So you got a remaining 5 minutes plus 2 laps for these racers in this category.
Napay 5 minutes plus 2 laps. Honda gamit tayo. Ayan. Viterbo versus Mangosong. Wow. Ayan. Third na, Bornok Mangosong.
Viterbo is respectful. And medyo tingin ko meron na itong pati. Pero
Bornok Mangosong on third. Pero si The Bullet guys, grabe. Break away The Bullet.
racer instinct. Pero
Grabe ni bataan ni bata pa gani. Unsa na lang kayo mudako na.
survive. So,
Samot ang mudako gorong kuha na ni. Tamadidoy.
Viterbo. Mangosong in third. Does he have the time para
Bornok Mangosong, andyan na.
second spot ni
Hello.
13 minutes.
Ay, coach, may tanong ako. Bilang coach, diba? Bilang coach. Sa tingin mo,
Oh.
Medyo kailangan, di ba?
Oh.
Correct. First calorie, second calorie. Alright.
Rayo Ipana
So
ng
right
second.
now, we are going to
Napay dulag ma, napay dulag ma.
under the junior NX50 staff category. We've got racer number
Unti-unti nang lumalapit Bornok Mangosong kay Rayo Ipanag.
Alexander Brando Gamboa. Racer
So,
number
Anton Cortez, Toro.
Roy Remolacho. Racer number 924, Lara Paz. Racer number 17, Tobias. Keliza.
Oh.
Racer number 222, Anot Baltao. And racer number 6, Mateo Paborian. Please report to the waiting area immediately. Again.
Anton Cortez on the lead. Rayo Bornok Mangosong on third.
Another call for our racers. Racer number 007, Quezon Nets. Racer number 01, Alexander Brando Gamboa. Racer 111, Roy Remolacho. Racer 924, Lara Paz. Racer number 17, Tobias. Keliza. Racer number 222, Baltao.
Wait, away.
And racer number 6, Mateo Paborian. Please proceed.
Andyan na Bornok Mangosong behind. Right! Munti ka na naman sumemplang si Bornok.
Stops the front again. Pero he's smelling blood right now kasi he has
Hala.
caught second place. Right and Mangoso.
And he is catching up.
So makikita natin brother yung unfamiliarity ni Bornok sa bike pa niya.
Dikit ang laban guys. Rayo versus Bornok. Turaturang bata Anton Cortez.
Commits those mistakes na he's gonna top.
La, dikit ang laban. Rayo versus Bornok.
To your craft as these gentlemen are here
La.
right now.
Look at this, Mangoso has caught.
Rayo versus Bornok. Oh! Oh, hoy!
So you don't know, Rayo Ipana has been
Wow, hoy! Nag-hero si Bornok. La.
I'm enjoying hearing about the culture you guys have here, so that's a good thing.
2 laps to go.
Last two lap.
Cortez. Next is race to lose kasi malayo na niya.
Last two lap. Night train ni Agi. Peter Colbert. La, Rayo Ipanag versus Bornok Mangosong.
Battle for second, still on.
Bakbakang Rayo Ipanag versus Bornok Mangosong.
And Mangoso.
La. Battle of second. Ohoy. Honda versus Ducati.
Eto na, he's gonna make a move.
Ay, Black Pass. Kuha. Bornok Mangosong ng second.
I saw it from the air.
Bornok Mangosong ng second. Ala. Wop.
Yung strategy, like an eagle eye. Alam na niya kung saan niya titirahin.
Right.
Ay, error. Napalong Karayo.
Oh no, right?
Hi.
Stop is fine, I heard. Pero di ko nakita. But what a ride for Rayo Ipana ng Team Good for
Wala yung ikuha niya. First round championship. Last lap. Waiting for champion Anton Cortez.
Yan, Anthony Cortez. This is huge.
Sarap.
Imagine. Probably this is his first Premier Class win.
Anton Cortez waiting for champion.
Ito una niyang Premier Class win.
And you saw it here at Vermont.
You saw it here.
Oh, yes.
Honda,
Tara.
the first number 8. So
Champion, Anton Cortez.
Yan, Anthony Cortez.
Wow. Yay, congrats. From Team Honda, from Kiblawan.
From battling in front, making
Bornok Mangosong on second.
battled with the leader. So back on the path, last place to second. The king of the
And Rayo Ipanag on third.
Calling all our racers for the Junior MX-50 category. Racer number 007, Quezon Nets.